My goal as a family physician has always been to create self-sufficiency. Now, that's not very self-serving. It doesn't do a good job for you to build a practice and have people coming to you all the time, right? But that wasn't me. So my goal was to get people to be as healthy as possible. But I really concentrated and focused my attention on helping people to treat themselves with magnetic fields. Now, I'll demonstrate to you that when I put this on the back of the chair, and you lean back against the chair, okay, your body will hold it there. Hear that?
Yes.
It's going right through your body.
Wow.
Some systems are appropriate to use in the office setting, like the polymag. It has to be used in the office setting because of the complicated design and the cost. But again, my goal is self-sufficiency. So usually somebody with a chronic problem like spinal stenosis, treatment in my office is not doing them a service. I want them to go home with a magnetic system. I think what we did is we set you up with a protocol that was going to be relatively gentle. I do that to make sure that you don't become overwhelmed by the therapy, because sometimes it can be too much for people. So here's what we do. Since you're about the middle of the program, then what we want to do is to go up 2 different units in time and intensity. I select technologies based on the individual features that they offer. So that allows me to distinguish the device that I need for the particular person and their particular problem. I particularly like devices made in Germany and Switzerland. They've been doing this for a very long time. They have the manufacturing facilities, the engineering, the quality control. I know these machines work. My patient's going to be happy. There's going to be a very low return rate. And again, most importantly, they work. And also because they've been doing this for so long, there are so many of these devices available in their countries, in the communities, that they have lots of feedback. In fact, they're available in spas, in doctors' offices, in hotels. You can actually spend time, rent time, to be able to use a machine while you're visiting these countries. And they're so well established, they even have wellness lounges that favor the best technologies, which includes relaxation, sound light stimulation for deep meditative states, which again are stress reducing, and biofeedback. Nobody else does this. Now, why? Why would I use a magnetic field? What is a magnetic field doing that can help you? Magnetic fields work at a very fundamental level in the body. They're not disease-specific devices. We say that you need this drug for diabetes, this drug for hypertension, this drug for this other condition. It doesn't work that way. Physiology has very similar mechanisms for all sorts of problems in the body, what I call cell injury. When cells become injured, in other words, they're no longer functioning in a normal fashion, they are demonstrating what's called cell injury. Well, magnetic fields work at the level of the cell injury to help the physiology rebalance itself.